Open CapCut and click on Create Project. After that, import your video. Before editing, this video looks like this. And I am about to remove this object from this video. The first step is to add your video to the timeline. After that, in the player, click on these 3 lines and select Export. Choose Export Location and adjust the settings to your preference and click Export. The next step is to go to your browser and type Photo Room. You can also type Remove Unwanted Objects to find the tool. Click on it and then click on Select Picture. Now upload the picture you exported. Adjust the brush according to your preference. Wait for the process to complete. And then you can download the image. Return to CapCut now to continue editing. Now import the image you've edited in Photo Room. Add it as an overlay and then align it with your video. Select it and then go to the mask option on the right side. Choose a mask you like. Then position it over the object you want to remove. After editing, the video looks like this. Click Export. Don't forget to subscribe for more and like the video.